Hello. In this video, I would like to show you how BixMan deals with distribution orders from the major retailers. One of the customers that we deal with is a organization called Corvettes. Now, as you can see, this is a standard Corvette order that we receive. In this case here, first of all, let's look. We have 2 pages. Okay. This area here is telling us what stores we'll be ordering. Here are the styles involved, and there's 3 styles. There's a third. This area here gives us the breakdown that each store wants. So the challenge here is, how do we get these distribution orders into our database without having to manually input each and every one? What we did was we came up with a solution using Excel as a conduit between this PDF and our database. So the first order of business is we want to make sure that we have all the stores that are involved with this distribution orders. As with many retailers, they're often opening locations, closing locations, so this will ensure that we have all the right stores involved. So the first thing we do is we select the area, copy it. Let's get this out of the way for a moment, and we will open up our worksheet. As you can see, your location at the moment is B2. So it's asking us to paste the store details. So we go Control V. There we go. There's the stores. Next, we would want the SKU number. So let's go back over to this and we'll copy this. Now, this SKU number is their number. We actually have style numbers, so they are related in between them and us. So what we're going to do there, we've got that. And we double click on that and we select the area like that. Now, I did get that underlined there, but it's completely irrelevant to our purposes. So we go sit on this area and Control V, and there's the detail for the first style. Let's go now to style 2, and we double click on that, copy it, paste it, get the details, copy that, paste it over there, and let's send out for the last style. Copy that, paste it there, and the details. Now, this is kind of a small order for us because oftentimes we'll get 5-10 pages. I think the max we've ever gotten was, I think it was about 20 styles, which is about 8 or 10 pages. So this is all in there, and let's go take a look at the detail. There are the details, and we take a look, and here it looks like we're going to have 68 orders. Let's go to the header area, and let's go see here, and yep, that's it. So we're done. All we have to do now is save this and go import it into the database. So we say finalize, yes to saving that, yes to saving the headers, and now we're finished with this, so we could get this out of the way. And don't save, we don't care about that. Now, while we're here, let's go take a look at over here. This first style is $13.95. Second style are about $12.95. So the only other thing we need here would be the purchase order number, because copying is a lot safer than typing. So the last step is to actually get those orders into the database. So let's open up the order import part of it. Things are all here, so we take a look, and right now we have the store listing, and there are the 68 orders. Anything here, if you'll notice on the right, there's some that have a blue dot beside them. That means that the store has not placed an order with us. So on this area, here's the detail. There are the 3 styles with the associated SKU number. At the moment, the customer prices are empty only because we haven't set the parameters. Now let's go just verify here. There it is. There's store 68 or location 68. Okay, now, so the next order of business would be to set the parameters. And KOR 100. Okay, now, if you'll notice, at the moment, one price so far has popped in. It's saying $12.95, but it is for our current season, which over here is saying spring 2024. Once I change the shipping date, the system will revisit and tell us what the customer selling price should be. So let's just paste in that purchase order number. Okay. And over here, we're going to change the date to October the 15th. Okay, so it's telling us customer prices have not been entered. Please do so before continuing. Okay, so we take a look. First and foremost, the first one is wrong, second one's missing, third one's correct. So let's go put in here the 12.95 for that. Close that off. And over here, if we want to just double click on that, and we could fix that to the 12.95 and close that. So we're all set to go. Next thing we do is we click on the import orders. Okay, that was done quickly. Over here it says order headers created. Details will be created when you close this window. Estimated time required 2.28 minutes or 126 seconds. It's not going to take that long, so what I'll do though is I will pause the video and come back once it's completed. That operation actually took about a minute and 15 seconds. So order details are created. Say OK to that. It says, would you like to create the pick slips? At this stage of the game, if this was an immediate order, I of course would say yes. But in this case, since we're looking 4, 5, 6 months down the road, we're going to say no. So quickly taking a look, we have here, we have all the store's different units. Anything that was blank is nothing. And that's it. 68 orders input into the system in under 5 minutes. This process really makes the job fun and easy to do. Thanks a lot. I do hope you guys have a great day. And if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I would love to talk to you about the program. Take care. Bye.